This video will instruct you on the use of the real-time monitor for monitoring and troubleshooting through the Wavecrest CyBlock Cloud solution. So let's go ahead and log in with our credentials. Alright, we're going to go straight to real-time monitors, web. We've got some options here. We've got our max results, which is our results per page as far as URLs go, and our update frequency, which is the amount of seconds until the page updates with the URLs. I'm going to go ahead and display the authentication challenge requests, 407s, and the authentication type. Authentication challenge requests are just what shows up until a username can be authenticated through the proxy. If there is an issue with authentication, you will never see a username go through the proxy, and you will probably not get a complete display of a web page. Authentication type will just simply show in parentheses next to the username when you're running a real-time monitor what type of authentication you're using, such as NTLM Windows-based credentials, or the cookie authentication, or no authentication. In those cases will be IP addresses only. So let's go ahead and start the monitor. I'm going to go ahead and bring up another tab and do some web surfing. I'm going to go to Google. We go back to our real-time monitor and we can see that some items have came through in the real-time monitor. As you can see, we have 407s until the user is authenticated. In this case, the test user is here with the authentication type NTLM Windows-based credentials. So now this is an example of going out to a website. Now if you wanted to find out what it would appear in the real-time monitor if you go to a blocked website, just go back into our tab here, go to proxy.org, since we know that anonymous public proxy is a by default blocked category. And we can see here the blocking message. This is the username that is being blocked. This is the website that's being blocked, the category that it's being blocked in, and the policy that the blocked category is in, and then of course the company name. However, if we go over to our real-time monitor, we can see in red that anything within the proxy.org domain will be blocked. If there are any authentication issues, you will see a 407 pending, and you will never get a username that authenticates. An issue that may occur in this stance is if you were to go to a website and you were to see that nothing would be blocked or in red, as we see here. We may just see a website that you may only see 407 pending, but you won't see a username ever pop up, or the website won't pop up itself, and you won't get a display of a web page. In this case, you can send the domain or the URL to us at Wavecrest, and we can resolve that issue for you. Thank you very much for watching the video on real-time monitoring, and you have a good day.